Hey guys, welcome to another tool review here on Otaku on a Budget. Today we'll be testing out these Galaxy sanding tools, which I recently added to the shop, so stick around. Alright, so Galaxy Tools is a pretty new brand, I think, coming out of China. But they've been releasing some pretty neat stuff, and one of them is these sanding sticks or sanding bars. These are actually made of stainless steel, and let's open it up. So pretty basic packaging. You have some instructions on the back showing how to use them, but these don't actually have grit on their own. They're meant to be used with your favorite sandpaper. So let's take off the backing paper there, and there you go. So this one measures 15 millimeters wide, and it's about I think 11.5 centimeters long and 2 millimeters thick, so pretty hefty. And they're meant to be as flat and as stiff as possible, because you want to use them for sanding flat surfaces on kits. And they actually come bundled with their own double-sided tape, which so this one matches this one, and let me show you how they're used. Get some sandpaper. Alright, so I've got some hobby grade sandpaper here, and you want to take one of these guys and stick it onto the back of your sanding stick. So it comes with quite a few, so that'll last you a while. Just take one of those double-sided tapes and peel off the backing, and make sure you align it with the sanding stick. Okay, looks good. Lay that down. Right, now you can peel this off. There we go. And make sure the adhesive side is still there. Take your sandpaper of choice and just lay that down onto the sandpaper. It's good. And take your hobby knife and just trace along the edge of it. Like that didn't cut all the way through. There we go. Dull knife, I guess. And there you go. Got a very flat, very stiff sanding stick. So you want to use that with flat surfaces, and that'll ensure that you're always you're maintaining that sharp edge right there. You're not dulling it, you're not rounding it. So pretty effective. If you've been using the traditional method of popsicle sticks, using popsicle sticks as sanding sticks, then this is a really nice upgrade from that. Really good. And of course, you can have more than one of these. You know, if you had multiple grits, and of course you could use different widths depending on the part that you're sanding. So if you had to get into in between spaces like right here, then you could use this thinner 5mm width sanding bar. If you had to go even thinner than that, then that's when these micro ones come in handy. And it looks like this one even has markers for what grit you're using. You can just stick that onto the surface of the bar itself. The sanding bars don't have them, but the micro files do. And yeah, these aren't actually original tools from Galaxy Tools. I believe God Hand already released their own set of sanding bars, very similar to these. But of course, these are a lot cheaper. And I just added these to the shop page, by the way. So if you're in the Philippines and you're interested in these sanding bars, you can go ahead and check those out. They do come with their own double-sided tape, as I mentioned. And I will include an extra pack or an extra roll of matching double-sided tape for each sanding bar. So really good deal on those. So yeah, I'm excited to use these in my projects and finally get rid of my old popsicle sticks. Really nice hobby grade tools will upgrade your experience of the hobby. So yeah, check back again soon, and I'll be back with another tool review. Thanks for watching.